Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft's recall feature, which has been called spyware by many users. This AI tool constantly takes screenshots of your screen to help you find what you've seen or done, but it can easily capture sensitive data too. So let's go through how to disable it or make it safer. First, open your Windows settings by pressing Windows key and I together. Once you're there, go to Privacy and Security. Then, scroll down and click Recall and Snapshots. You'll see a toggle called Save Snapshots. Turn this off to stop Windows from taking screenshots automatically. After that, click Delete All to remove any old snapshots that might still be stored on your computer. This makes sure nothing from before is left behind. If you don't want to turn Recall off completely, you can adjust it instead. On the same page, find the section that lets you manage exclusions. Here you can add websites and apps that you don't want Recall to ever capture. You should include your online banking pages, password managers, work-related apps, or any chat apps where you discuss private matters. This limits what Recall can see and keeps your personal information safe. Finally, make sure your computer has strong antivirus protection, because if malware infects a Recall-enabled system, it could access all those saved snapshots. Programs like Kaspersky Premium, Bitdefender, or even Windows Defender with controlled folder access can help block that kind of attack. To sum up, disable Recall, or at least limit what it can record. Delete all old snapshots, and keep your security software active. That's how you stop Microsoft's Recall from acting like spyware and keep your privacy intact. If this video helped you protect your PC, remember to like the video, subscribe for more privacy tips, and comment below if you want me to cover how to block Microsoft's hidden tracking features next. See you in the next one.